Ellie's gone crazy. She's getting impatient, speaking in phrases while she's making faces. She thinks she's so cool. She thinks it's a movie, and she's a porn-up actor. All she wants is the D. Bro, I just want the best for you. If you choose, then you lose. Don't be fooled, don't confuse what you know with the truth. It's your eyes and your heart, I can tell it apart. I've been through it before. That you think she's the one that she hurts, but she's a cold-hearted demon, and she don't like your friend, and nobody likes her. Ellie's suicidal, but I'm no savior. I told her if she wants to jump off a ledge, then she's welcome to do it. She knows she's a bitch, I know she's a pro, she's a hoe, but she promised my bro that she never let go, like a psycho. And bro's a little bit slow. Ellie, can you please leave him be? His heart can't take it anymore, and I can't bear to lose my bro like I did before. Billions of people in this world, so I hope you end up all alone. If you find out about this song, could you subscribe?